New York State. I'm at my brother's house. We're going to do an unboxing video of the Ninja Woodfire outdoor oven, and then we're going to cook a few things. So let's go over and check this thing out. So what we're going to do, because it's the first time that we're using this oven, and the door opens, not going to do anything. We're going to do we're going to burn off the chemicals. It's just something that I do with everything that I buy. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to keep it on pizza 700, and the time, oops, can you increase the time? Oh, here we go, okay. All right, 15 minutes. And let's see, let me hit start. So what we're going to do is we're cooking up this lovely batch of meat in there. It's kind of like a smorgasbord. Okay, so you want to make sure the accessory frame is in, it's in there. You also want to make sure your roast rack is in your Pro Heat pan, which I'll show you right now. Here it is right here. And we have this lovely smorgasbord of meat. Also, I want to point out, guys, my brother made these sausages, so we're going to do a taste test on that. So we're going to go ahead and place this right in here. We're going to close it up. Now I'm going right from the book. After much deliberation, what we're going to end up doing, we're going to bake it. Because I thought you could use the smoker at 375 without having to smoke. I mean, that could be true. I don't know at this point. All right, we're going to try it at bake 375 for 25 minutes. And let's hit start. So we're preheating. Okay, so we're starting right now. All right, everybody, it's 10 minutes has gone by. We're going to open it up and take a look. Everything looks great in here.
You gotta turn that stuff.
All right, this is not
hot enough.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Check this out. All right, so I just temped everything. It says it's done. Okay, this is my brother Mike. He's going to taste test everything. Now, we didn't get a lot of brownage on it, but hopefully...
Lamb's pretty good.
Okay. Is it moist? All right, so it's moist, just not super brown. Oh, take the tongs to have the sausage. Just be careful, it's going to scorch you.
My sausage?
Yes, I'm sorry. Let me tell everybody again, is that this is my brother's sausage. He made it.
What, are you taking a bite?
No, I wanted to make sure you could hear. I forgot that I have the microphone.
I'll snap it. Oh! Oh!
Super hot,
That's
super
nice.
hot. It said it's done, but it's pink.
Yeah, but it said it was good, right?
Yeah, it said it was done, yeah.
I'm not going to die.
You never know.
Hot. Good.
Awesome. So everybody, this is my, because I talk about him a lot sometimes, this is my twin brother Mike. He's 8 minutes older than me.
Hey.
Whatever.
And wiser.
See? See? Do you see what I have to put up with? What I did was I put the accessory frame in there and I just put the stone in. And so what we want to do now is we want to preheat this stone. So we're going to flip it over to here. You're going to go all the way over to pizza. Now you're going to choose the type of pizza that you're going to make. We're either going to do like a Neapolitan, thin, New York, pan, frozen, or custom. I'm going to choose, let's keep it on Neapolitan. So it's going to be 700 degrees. The time, usually those pizzas cook like in 3 minutes. So we're going to hit start. So it's preheating the stone. I don't really know how long this is going to take, but I'm going to let this stone heat for at least 15 minutes because I want that stone hot. All right, it says to add food, so we're going to go ahead and add the food. And it's sticking just a bit. Here we go. Close her up. Press start. 3 minutes. All right, so it's done. Let's check it out. Yep, we have a little burnage here. So, Lisa, next time when your gut says to check it, check. I'm going to show you a picture of the bottom. How's it look? So I can't see it.
Not bad.
Alright. So, Cody's actually going to be the taste tester on this one. So, go ahead and put it over there. I'm going to cut this real fast. So, hang on a second. This is my cousin. Oh my god. This is my nephew, Cody. He's going to taste test the pizza. So, go ahead. It's going to be hot. He's going to burn the roof of his mouth. How is it for a first try?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Okay, so we're going to get better from here, but...
Even if it's a little burnt.
Alright, so he's being completely honest, everybody. So once again, thanks everybody for watching. I'm going to cut it off here. We have one more pizza to make, but I'm going to take it out a bit sooner. Tomorrow, I'm going to work on a bunch more videos, and I'm going to get these out to you. But, oh, just an FYI, my brother's going to pull out a pork butt, I think, or something. We're going to do a whole chicken. We got lots planned, okay? Take care, everybody. Thanks.